All right, welcome back, guys. Sorry, there was an interruption. So this is part two, and I'm showing you how to create a membership business inside of Notion. Notion is kind of like a dashboard where you can put all your documents, everything that you need basically to run a business. So here you have all the pages, and I'm just gonna turn this TikTok into a page. And now we're gonna create something very interesting. It's a database. This is very important. A database that will allow you to efficiently manage your information. So I'm going to press on the / and I'm going to select a database. So let me see. I think it's a table. Yeah, so database here. So I'm going to click on table, and databases are very powerful. This is not as powerful as Microsoft Access, which I had to learn how to use at university, but it's pretty cool. So let's call this database um, video tutorials, because that's what I'm going to be offering in my Calligraphy for Everyone membership site, or I think I call it Calligraphy Club International. So anyways, this is a database of video tutorials, or maybe just videos, because there's going to be all kinds of videos. So I'm just going to put videos, and here uh, the name, I don't know, it can be video tutorials. I'm not quite sure how these databases work, but okay, so I'm just gonna add property here. Whoops, what the hell? Oh, why is it like this? Oh, I see. Okay, so the property um which will characterize the video tutorials, let me see. So these are the properties. Notion databases are so powerful that I have to go on YouTube and learn really how to use it. Okay, so uh, we're just gonna put a, okay, let me see. It's gonna be a text for sure. And I don't know, like, what is this? So let's say instead of Veeps tutorials, I'm gonna put um, intro to calligraphy. So this could be like, let's say, one video, and the text here, it's gonna be like description of that video tutorials. And if I add, oh, okay, add another property. So it could be the duration of the video. Is that right? How come? Okay, if I click on this, yeah, this is really strange. How come I don't see duration? Okay, it's a text. Oh, okay, duration here. So let's say I want to add another property. Um, the format of the content. So it's not really videos, it's really just content. So anyways, I'm gonna put format here, and it's gonna be a text. Okay, so here I'm gonna put video MP4, duration, I don't know, intro to calligraphy, it's gonna be 10 minutes, and description, something like uh, intro for calligraphy for beginners. You know what italic calligraphy is all about. And so here it's not really videos. It's more like, whoa, what did I do here? Okay, so it's gonna be just library content. Yeah, just gonna put library content, and that's it. But you can see that, you know, this is not an isolated Google Sheet or databases in your computer. This is something that is live, you know, inside of your business system. So it feels more like you're making progress, you know, because every time I add to this library content, you know, I feel I'm actually building my business. I'm packing more value into my business, which is pretty cool. All right. So what if I want to add more content? Okay, this is a new page. If I click, whoa, okay, yeah, it's a little bit, okay, new pages. They say new pages, but actually it's a new item in my library. So in addition to intro to calligraphy, I'm gonna put, okay, just off the top of my head, but five um, letter families, okay, and then whoop, and then here I'm gonna put, let's say, PDF ebook. So, you know, I'm populating this library with all kinds of content. So this PDF obviously is going to be PDF. There's no duration, obviously. The 5 letters family, it's going to be a video. And by the way, like when you show this Notion business system to your investors and funders, they feel more confident about your business because, you know, you're running your business in a professional manner. So anyways, I'm going to stop here, but I think you get the picture. This is where you're uploading your content in your Notion business system. And of course, another uh, database that is extremely important is the customer relationship management database, so CRM. So I'm going to click on CRM here, and you can see that, okay, let's say I have Joe as a customer, and I can add, I think I can import a Google Sheet. But basically, this is where you're making money because this is your customers, right? And by the way, there's another database that you want to create. I'm just going to put it here. And this database is not for customers, but it's for partners. So we're going to rename it as a PRM, for partner relationship management. And I'll explain that in a minute. Partner relationship management. PRM. And this is very important because these days, like, you cannot be a solo entrepreneur anymore. Like, the term solo entrepreneur is misleading. Nobody is succeeding alone. Like, even big companies, they form strategic alliances with one another. So you have to partner with other entities, whether it's individuals, governments, associations, organizations, businesses. So this is where you're getting a lot of leverage, and you have to almost like be a diplomat or have a foreign relations department. So here I'm going to put, for example, the name of a Facebook a group. Okay, so let's say um, I have to change these headings, but so it's, the stage is important. That's true. The owner. Okay, so let me see. Yeah, so these properties are typical for customer relationship management, but I'm going to add something that is specific to partnerships. So for example, let me see, I'm going to add, Okay, under tags here. Okay. So anyways, as an example, I'm gonna put let's say the Ottawa Calligraphy Association as an example, okay? And then I'm gonna put another potential partner. I don't know, it could be some kind of LinkedIn group. Um, I don't know, I need a second cup of coffee here. I'm running out of fuel. But I think you get the idea. This is where you manage your relationship. So, you know, it can be a government agency, okay? It can be a prominent LinkedIn user who has like over 1,000 connections. It can be um, a parents Facebook group. Why? Because you know parents uh, might be interested in buying my calligraphy video course for their kids. You know, calligraphy is great for the development of their kids. And so these are my partners. But if I click on the CRM here, just going to remove this one. If I click on CRM, then you have these people who might be interested in purchasing my, you know, my calligraphy products. And by the way, speaking of products, we need a database so I can manage all my products. This is stuff that I'm selling. And so let me just create a new page here. And this new database, it's actually a database, right? So, whoa. Okay, so this new page, what? Okay, so this new page can be called, um, okay, I have digital products which are different from physical products. So I'm just going to put digital products here. And then I'm going to put different digital products. Like, you know, I'm a little bit not torn, but you know, there's a piece of wisdom in entrepreneurship that says that you got to focus on one product. But the cool thing about a membership site is that you don't have to commit to one product. You can just create tons of products and you can just upload them on your membership site. Or you can charge for your membership, you can charge like $10 a month, but on top of that, you can sell different digital products. So for example, I might have PDF products, I might have video products, I might have also services, right? I might have Zoom webinars. I might have, let me see, software products. I might have audio products. So if I click on, I'm going to turn them all into pages, okay? Turn them into pages. So if I click on, oh yeah, I forgot another type of product, pictures. So these are pictures of my calligraphy. And you can see, I don't know, like, I don't know if you can feel this, but when you're working in Notion and you create all of these pages and templates, you feel that you're packing a lot of value into your business because now your business resides in this Notion workspace, right? So I feel pretty good. Like, you know, I haven't even had my second cup of coffee, but I feel pretty good because I feel productive. I feel I built something. You know, if I was not in Notion right now, I would probably watch a lot of videos on YouTube on AI. But it doesn't matter how great a video on YouTube or Facebook is, you're not building anything. We have to learn from the Chinese. You know, we have to actually get into a Notion workspace and create something, build something that will compound over time. And that's what I'm doing here. So let's say for video products, if I click on it, I wonder if I can turn it into a database. No, I'm going to click on it. And now I'm going to create for video products. Um, I'm going to create something like, you know, procedure for creating video products, okay, or some kind of a workflow. And then I'm going to create a database. Okay, so here I'm going to put database. What is the difference between inline and full page? I have no idea, but I'm going to create a database. Full page. Okay, let's click on that. And there you go. And I can import CSV into my new database, but let's keep it simple. So this database is for my video products. So I have to add a property. So a property could be something like the target audience, because each video will be created for a specific audience. So here, the name of the video. So here, I don't know, it could be intro to calligraphy in general, right? And here it could be italic calligraphy, let's say level 1, and then italic calligraphy level 2, etc., and so on and so forth. Here it could be calligraphy equipment. So this is a video where I would do a walkthrough of all the equipment in my calligraphy studio. Here it would be maybe calligraphy fountain pens. So I'm going to do an explanation demo of all my calligraphy pens, which I'm buying from China. There are so many, incredible calligraphy fountain pens from China at a very low price. Here I could put, all these are videos, by the way, right? Here I could put, projects, calligraphy projects. Actually, I don't have to put calligraphy all the time. I'm just going to put projects. But you can see that when you're creating this database, so this is the name of the database, videos. When you're creating this, and I can go back to video project, you feel like you're creating something tangible. You're building a business. So I'm gonna go back to digital products. So I have all these digital products that I can sell separately for video it's like a lot of these videos will be included in the membership, but some of these videos will wait a minute, will have a price. So how do I add a property? Huh? How do I add a property? What? Okay, so let's say this property is wait a minute, I did put target audience, right? That's strange. I put audience before. Whoa. Okay, it didn't take it. Okay, so what's happening here? Okay, it's a paragraph. What the hell? Oh, anyways. Okay, so audience. And then I have to put the price because, you know, and oh, and then, okay, so it's going to be a text. So intro to calligraphy, that's free. It's part of the membership, right? And then italic calligraphy level 1, that's free. It's part of the membership. So, like the members, they can see that for $10 a month, they have access to all these videos. And of course, I haven't created these videos yet, right? So I have to put the status here. I want to be totally transparent with people. So the status of select type. Oh yeah, so status is good. So I'm gonna check status here, and I'm gonna put like you know, the actual status. Oh, in progress. Okay, that's good. So not started. So they're all in progress, unfortunately for now. But still, it's in progress. I'm working on it here. I'm working on it. Okay. Uh, so so for the sake of argument, let's say that um, it's not in progress, but it's done. So at least you know you feel that it's done. So anyways, and then let's continue with the price. Calligraphy equipment, it's gonna be free. Calligraphy fountain pens free. Um, projects free. But let's say that I'm adding something like you know uh, designing your own font. Okay, that's not free. Okay, this like it's a very technical video. So I don't know. I'm gonna put something like maybe just $10. They buy it, and there's gonna be a sales page. So I'm gonna add a sales page here for them to buy. And this sales page is typically on Gumroad. So the sales page is gonna be a text. And so here, you know, they can just go to, you know, Gumroad, and I have my own sales page, whatever. So that's my sales page. And so you can see that I'm managing an inventory of videos. Most of them are free, but some of them are paid. So let's go back to video products. Okay, so this is more like the video products library. Okay, and if I go back to video products, the procedure for creating video products, so that's going to be a page. What else is involved in video products? Well, uh, equipment, right? I have to have all the equipment, you know, I have to have the scripting of each product. Anyways, a whole bunch of things. So let's go back to digital products, because video products are just one type of digital products. Then we have PDF products, we have pictures, you know. So those are digital products, and that's important. This is what is going to make money, but the customer relationship is also important. So let's see what else do we have here. Production. No, I'm gonna erase it. It's not really relevant, so delete. What else? Notion basics. Click anywhere below and type to see what you can create. Desktop ad. So anyways, let's go back to our membership business, which is here. And okay. All right, so the membership has all of this. Okay, the library content, this is the library, so it's a database. But I want to put the database at the bottom, so I'm going to bring it down to the bottom here. And so, you know, membership business has all of these components. Just going to turn this into a page. Turn this into a page. So it's pretty amazing, because like if you run a membership business, these are the components that you need, right? In terms of marketing, you need probably a sales page on Gumroad. You need sales letters. You need YouTube videos, you know, to attract new customers. For marketing, you need email marketing, you need social media, the usual suspects. But the idea here is that as I'm developing this membership business system for myself, I'm going to be able to just share it here with my customers. So, if they pay me, let's say $10 or $20 a month, they will always have access to my latest templates. So as I'm building my membership business for myself, I'm also building it for, all the my subscribers, which is pretty cool. All right, so I guess I'm gonna end it here. Maybe I should just pause it here, but yeah, this is pretty awesome. So what else can I create in Notion? Oh yeah, affiliate marketing. I want to reward people for bringing new customers to me. So I'm going to put affiliate marketing here. Also, I'm going to have resellers who will resell my PDF ebooks on calligraphy. I'm going to have Zoom sessions. So I'm going to put Zoom. I'm going to have YouTube premieres. I'm going to have live streams on Facebook, YouTube, whatever. Yeah. So, this membership site is growing. Um, Pretty cool, right? Okay, so for YouTube here, I have a YouTube channel. I need a description. I need content strategy. I need content calendar. I need metrics. I need sponsors. I need advertisers, and so on and so forth. All right, so we go back here. My Facebook groups. How many groups do I need? Well, I don't know. I'm just gonna put Facebook groups and also, like Facebook pages, right? So I'm gonna put Facebook pages, but you know, all of those are supposed to be in Facebook. So I'm just gonna put Facebook now, and so this should be a page. And in Facebook, I'm gonna put all the Facebook related items. So it's my Facebook network, Facebook page, Facebook groups, pages, etc. And so now I can erase this one. Okay. Oh yeah, I need a business plan. Okay. Okay. So so I look at OBS and I've been talking for about 30 minutes, but you see like in 30 minutes in Notion, I've been able to create all of this, which is pretty amazing. Let me just try to try to share this. Whoops. If I publish, what would it look like? It would look like this if I publish the membership business. Um, and when people click, they can actually let me see if I can publish in another browser. So if I go, so if I share it, um, would I be able to just share with anyone? Yes, I can. Yeah, you don't see it because I'm in another browser, but I was able to share this, you know, this entire business system. And so when people see it, um, they're going to be able to see the value of my business system and they can purchase all my templates. So anyways, let's go back here. So we have affiliate marketing, we have resellers, we have Zoom. Like this is really a complete business, and it allows me to get serious about calligraphyforeveryone.com. Oh yeah, I forgot the website, of course. Um, so the website, which is Calligraphy for Everyone, and I need sales funnels. Okay, so I'm just going to turn it into pages. Okay, so guys, this is a pretty complete business system, and yeah, I'm going to stop here.